Hello folks, my name is Neha and today we will discuss how to transfer tokens from Ethereum network to Matic network using MetaMask wallet. Now let's first discuss quickly what is Matic network. It was founded by Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Naval and Anurag Arjun from India in late 2017. Now the first question that comes in mind is why was Matic network created? Due to the growing demand on Ethereum network, there is a high transaction fees or gas fees making it almost impossible to use decentralized applications built on Ethereum for everyday use. Matic aimed at solving Ethereum's this scalability problem by offering Matic Plasma chains as a layer 2 solution. It was later rebranded to Polygon in Feb 2021, providing a set of scaling solutions for Ethereum decentralized applications. Let us talk about MetaMask now. Now, MetaMask is a browser extension which works as a cryptocurrency wallet that connects with Ethereum blockchain. Now, it allows you to interact with decentralized applications built on Ethereum ecosystem without you having to download the entire blockchain on your device. Now, I'm not going to explain how to download MetaMask in this video, but I have explained it in my another video and I will leave the link into the description. Go to that video description and from timestamps find the part where I installed MetaMask. Now, MetaMask is just a browser extension and you can also install it on your own in just few clicks. Now, let's go to the MetaMask wallet and let me click on expand view so that we can see it full screen. Now, important thing to note here is you will need some Ethereum Matic tokens and some other tokens if you want to trade those tokens, but these two are required because you need Ethereum to pay gas fees on Ethereum network and you will need Matic tokens to pay gas fees on Matic network. Now what you can do is you can buy these tokens on centralized exchange like Binance and can transfer to this MetaMask wallet. To transfer it, you can click on buy, you can say view account, you can scan this QR code or else you can just copy this to your clipboard and on this address you can send Ethereum and Matic tokens. Now first thing that we need to do is we need to add this Matic network configuration to our MetaMask wallet. For that, click on custom RPC and you need to fill in the details of Matic network. Now on the docs.matic.network website, we can see all the configurations that are required for Matic network. So I will leave the link into the description. You can go to this website and copy all these details. So do not go into any other third-party website, only download all these informations from legit websites. Now just click on save. Now the Matic network is added into our MetaMask wallet. Now click on close. Now it is shifted to Matic network. Now let's get back to Ethereum mainnet and now we have to go to wallet.matic.network website. I will leave the link into the description. Now you have to click on move funds from Ethereum to Polygon. Now one most important thing to notice here is that do not transfer directly your ERC20 tokens to these addresses, but you have to transfer it via something called POS, proof of stake bridge. So click on this one, move funds from Ethereum to Polygon. Now you can see this is the Polygon bridge. This is how you can transfer it from Ethereum network to your Polygon network. Now I'm going to select Matic token here. I want to transfer Matic from Ethereum to Polygon network and I'm going to select max. If you see here carefully, you can see that it's showing me available balance of 0.001 Matic. Even though this is the first time I'm creating the wallet. So I believe Matic is airdropping these tokens so that you can at least do a few transactions on the Matic network with this. So yeah, this is the way you can get some free Matic tokens. So if you want, just create a wallet here and get some tokens. Now I'm going to click on transfer. It will take around 7 to 8 minutes. Continue. It is showing the total gas fees that is going to be required for these transactions. Okay, so Matic tokens are on something called Plasma Bridge. So if you want to withdraw now this Matic token, once you transfer them to over to Matic network, it is going to take around 7 days for you to do that. Okay, it is showing me that I need to pay a $3 gas fees. And also it is very important that on your Ethereum wallet, you would have previously selected Ethereum mainnet. Okay, now I'm going to click on confirm. I can also edit and see how much of a gas fee do I need to pay. Okay, cool, confirm. Now this might take around 7 to 8 minutes for the whole transfer to complete. Okay, so there was a notification that the transaction 2 is complete, but I still see this on progress. Okay, so now I have to confirm one more transaction. I click on continue. I'll be asked again to confirm this and this time I have to pay around $9. So it will be total of $12 of gas fee, which is just insane. I'm just gonna click confirm. Now I'm getting a Chrome notification that the transaction fee is confirmed, but it is still showing a loading symbol into my browser. Let me just close it and go back to the wallet. Now you can see that the transaction is confirmed. However, it will take some time for it to complete. Your transaction transfer is enrolled. It will take 7 to 8 minutes for deposit to get completed. So once this gets completed, we will get to see our updated balance over here. View on Etherscan. Okay, so it is successful. Here it is successful. We just need to wait for some time for it to show up in our balance. Now as you can see, the deposit is finally completed, I think in around 10 minutes, and you can see the updated balance over here. Now we will go to Aave and we will see how can you use Aave on Polygon. Let me tell you quickly what is Aave. Aave is a borrowing and lending platform. So you can use this platform on Polygon to borrow the assets and also to deposit the assets. If you deposit the assets, you will earn this interest rates, and if you borrow, you have to pay this interest rates. So we are going to deposit some Matic tokens on Aave. So let's do that. Be very careful with this URL. Do not go to any other URL looking similar to this one. I'll also give you the URLs into the link description so you can go to this specific URL. Be also sure that in MetaMask you have selected the Matic mainnet. Okay. Now here you will see you can see the market is on Polygon, and let's connect our wallet. Now for MetaMask you have to choose browser wallet. Okay, so it is connected. Now you can see I have some wallet balance and I am going to deposit it. So here you can see the APY, how much percentage of interest you can get from all these tokens. Okay, so I'll show you how can you deposit the Matic on Aave. I'll just save some of the tokens to be able to be gas fee on Matic network. So I'll just say that I want to deposit 25 of my Matic. Continue. Okay, one deposit, please submit to deposit. Now here you can see the gas fee. Just compare this gas fee with the $12 that we paid just now. Confirm. Now we have deposited our token. It's in pending state. Let me click on Explorer. I'll show you this is still pending. So as you can see, I have 25 Matics deposited on the platform, which is around $26 at this point of time. You can see I'll be earning a 2.47 interest on it, and also I'll be earning 3.77% Matic tokens, which is great. And for depositing on this platform, basically Matic is giving out you certain tokens for using this platform, which is great. And this is how you can claim those rewards of Matic tokens by clicking on this claim. So this is how you use it. This is how if you can use this as a collateral and borrow. Now let's discuss how you can move back your tokens from Polygon network to Ethereum network. So this is going to be just the reverse of what we did to transfer it from Ethereum to Polygon. First we have to go back to the bridge and then click on this switch icon. Now here I'm going to select Matic. Did you notice one thing? It is written as Plasma. That means these tokens are going to be transferred from Plasma chain, and it can take up to 7 days to withdraw. So when we are going to press withdraw, it is going to take us around 7 days for this Matic tokens to settle because of the additional security of Plasma chain. Now I'm going to say transfer. I'm going to click on continue. See, withdraw process from Plasma takes 7 days and 3 transactions. So there will be first transaction on Polygon chain, which is going to cost you very minimal amount of Matic tokens, almost $0. And then there will be 2 more transactions. One will be confirm withdraw and then withdraw complete, where you can see we have to pay in Ethereum around $20 and $36, which is just insane. And once you click continue, so this is the first transaction that you need to confirm. Similarly, you also need to confirm 2 more transactions on the checkpoints. So I'm not going to do that currently, but that is how you can proceed and transfer back all your tokens from back from Polygon network to Ethereum network. So that is it for this video, folks. If you liked it, please give like to this video. Please hit on the subscribe button, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.